Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get shaders on Minecraft Bedrock or Packet Edition. Okay, first things first, you want to open any web browser and search for the website mcpecentral.com. This website is where you can find all sorts of shaders that work for MCPE 1.20. On the website, click on the three bars at the top right, then scroll down until you find the shaders section. It will then provide you with a list of working shaders for Minecraft Bedrock 1.20. Choose the shader you want to install, and then, when you click on one of the shaders, it will provide you with information about the shader and some images to take a look at. At the very bottom, there should be a button that says Download. Click on the blue link to start the download. Once the shader is downloaded, open the Google Play Store and search for the File Manager application. Download the specific version of File Manager that makes it easiest to get shaders, and it's free to download. Once done, open the File Manager app and go to Downloads folder, and find the shader you just downloaded. Long press the shader file, click on the rename button, and make sure the files end in .mcpack. Next, long press the shader file again. Click on the three buttons or more options and choose Open With, and then search for Minecraft and select it. The shader will be loaded into the game. Now, exit out and load into the world, and you'll be able to enjoy the shaders you just installed. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get shaders on Minecraft Bedrock or Packet Edition. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!